types of nearby businesses or amenities do you find most beneficial to be near when you're looking for a site? What do you want to be around? What do you want the area to look and feel like?
And it's such a difficult question because, you know, we would like to be near Fiesta Markets, which are a Hispanic grocery store that,
Mhm.
they're great stores, super clean, real strong customer loyalty. We're across the street from Tom Thumb's and Albertsons. I mean, we like to be in an area where your people are going to drive by you
Mhm.
and they're going to go to a business that, they're going to have to go to weekly. So
Mhm.
if they don't see you at first glance, maybe they'll, something with, we have, lighted signs, we have, monument signs that say drop off laundry here. Our buildings are all lit up. You can't, you'll see, what is Tornado Express? What is that? What is that character? And
Mhm.
so, that's holding the shirts, and I got to go investigate. But we like to be near that grocery segment where people are, going to get their groceries weekly, and we can either be convenient for them to stop in, go
Mhm.
grab something from the grocery store, come back, get their laundry. We can just be something that they can either drop off their laundry, come in and do it. We've taken advantage of technology where, our machines will text you when your laundry's done. People can go run a quick errand. There's so much great technology out there that, we've taken advantage of it so that, hey, you can come in, put your laundry in, go run an errand for 10 minutes and then come back, and the machine is going to let you know when your laundry's done.
Awesome. Awesome. Very good. Great advice. Lee, how about you? The same thing. Is there any amenities or businesses that you like to situate a wash house near?
Yes, absolutely. So we
Mhm.
we like grocery stores. We all have to buy groceries, so that draws a lot of people. It depends on what type of grocery store. We have, high-end grocery stores here, and we have kind of your value stores. So we are right in the middle. If we're going to be in a shopping center, we like to be in the shopping center that has a really nice middle of the road type grocery store. We like phone stores like Metro PCS. Those are great because we serve our target customer is also their customer. So that's a great business that we can be close by.
Mhm.
We have several locations that are next to Domino's Pizzas. Those are typically in a nice strip center, which we like. And there's a lot of people coming in and out of a Domino's. And so when they're searching for, pizza online and they pull up Google and we're right there beside Domino's, we
Right.
love that. And so we
Mhm.
have some pretty high turn stores that are next to Domino's Pizza, which again is a national chain. And so they're not going to allow their stores to look bad or have a lot of riffraff, that can come along with the mindset of a laundromat. And so they
Right.
too have elevated kind of the safety and cleanliness of their space. And so we kind of ride that wave also. Um, but there are, I would say, just a few things that come to mind. You that you would not want to be next door to, and so those are anything that might be salacious or restricted with age, like in North Carolina, like alcohol or something like that,
Right.
because you limit the amount of traffic that is coming in and out there. And anywhere that a mother would not want to take their young child um, you don't want to be adjacent to or perhaps close in proximity to that type of store.